Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson comparing quantities. Now exercise 8.3. We have understood the examples and try these sums, and all the examples and try these together it will be in a exercise 8.3. Now first question, tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent and loss percent in each case. मतलब इधर अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं तो इसमें से प्रॉफिट है या लॉस पहले फाइंड आउट करो, फिर उसके बाद प्रॉफिट परसेंट लॉस परसेंट फाइंड आउट करने का है. ठीक है. नाउ first question, gardening shears bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. Bought का मतलब क्या है? CP. CP is equal to rupees 250. Sold means SP, selling price, is rupees 325. Now out of this which is greater? SP is greater, isn't it? तो पहले लिखो SP is greater than CP. जब SP ज्यादा रहता है तो क्या आपको मिलेगा? प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला क्या है? SP माइनस CP, दैट इज रुपीज 325 minus 250. So you got rupees 5 minus 0, 5, 2 means 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you got the profit. Now find the profit percent. So profit percent, what is the formula? Profit upon CP into 100. What is profit? 75. What is CP? It is 250 into 100. Now 0, 0. Cut 25 ones are 25 threes are 75. 3 tens are 30%. So profit is 75. Profit percent is 30%. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number B. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000. Bought means CP is the cost price. CP is 12,000. Sold at rupees 13,500. Sold means selling price. SP is 13,500. Now compare which is greater? SP. So write SP is greater than CP. It's easy. Always write like this, then find out which is it. So profit is equal to SP greater है तो profit SP minus CP. That is equal to rupees 13,500 minus 12,000. Rupees 1 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Okay, now 5 minus 0, 5, that is hundreds place. Now thousands place, it is 3 minus 2, 1. And 10,000, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So you got 1,500. Now find out profit percent. What is the formula? Profit upon CP into 100. So write 1,500 upon CP is how much? 12,000 into 100. 2 0, 2 0 cut. 1 0, 1 0 cut. Now 12 और 15 कौन सा टेबल में आएगा? It is a 12 और 15. So 3 का टेबल में है. So 3 4s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 15 and 0. अभी 50 and 4 2 के टेबल में जाएगा. 2 2s are 2 25s are. So you got 25 by 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, एक बचा 1/2%. So 12.5%. तो कटिंग में थोड़ा संभल कर करने का है. चलो, now coming to the question number C. A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500. Bought means CP is 2,500. Sold, that is SP, is equal to rupees 3,000. So which is greater? SP greater than CP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. Profit is SP is 3,000 minus 2,500. How much you got? Rupees 500. है ना? So it is a profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now profit, how much? 500. CP is how much? 2,500 into 100. 20, 20 cut. 5 1s are, 5 5s are. Now 5 1s are, 5 20s are. So you got 20%. Clear? Now coming to question number D. A skirt bought for 250 rupees, sold at rupees 150. Bought, that is CP is equal to 250, sold SP is equal to 150. Now which is greater? CP is greater, right? CP is greater than SP. When CP is greater, what is it? It is loss. CP minus SP. CP is how much? Rupees 250 minus 150. You got rupees 100. Now find out loss percent. Is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is 100. CP is 250 into 100. 10 cut. 25 1s are, 25 4s are, 10 4s are, 40%. So remember the formulas and accordingly you have to do. And always remember the profit percent and loss percent are calculated on CP. You have to remember this. Okay. So this was about the question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Now it is in the ratio. Remember this type of sums we have done already in the revision, the examples, and try these sums, isn't it? So convert each part of the ratio into percentage. So first question is 3:1. So total parts, first we have to find out the total parts, isn't it? So 3 plus 1 is equal to how much? 4. Now percentage of first part. First part, what is the part? It is 3/4. You get the fraction 3 out of 4, and to convert into percentage, multiply by 100. 4 1s are, 4 25s are, 25 3s are 75%. Now second question is percentage of second part. So second part is how much? 1. Total number of parts is 4. So you get the fraction 1/4 into 100. 4 1s are, 4 25s are. That is how you got 25%. Now coming to the second B question. The total parts will be, add all the parts, 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Now percentage of the first part. First fraction will be 2 out of 10 into 100. 0, 0 cut, you got 20%. Now percentage of the second part is 3 out of 10 into 100, 0 cut, 10 threes are 30%. Now percentage of third part, the first it is 5 out of 10 into 100, 0 cut, 10 fives are 50. Hope you have understood this. So ratio जब रहता है, add all the three parts and you will get the total number of parts, and now you find out the percentage of each part. So each part will be 2, first part will be 2 out of 10, second will be 3 out of 10, third is 5 out of 10 and multiply by 100. Now the question number C, 1:4, that is 1 plus 4 is 5. Percentage of the first part, it will be, the part will be 1 out of 5 into 100, 5 ones are 5 20s are. So the percentage of first part will be 20%. Now the second part, it will be 4 out of 5 into 100, 5 ones are 5 20s are, 24s are, it is 80. You got 80%. Now it is the question D. Question D, it is 3 ratios are there, isn't it? 3 ratios are there. 1 minute. Okay. Total parts is 1 plus 2 plus 5. It is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So you got 8 total parts. First part, it will be 1 by 8 into 100. Now 8 and 100 directly you can't cancel it. So it will be 4 2s and 4 25s. Now you got 25 by 2, that is 2 1s, 2 2s, 1 remains. You got 12.5%. Now second part, it is 2 by 8 into 100. Say it is 4 2s, 4 25s, 2 1s, 2 1s. So you got it is 25%. Now the third part is, I'll write little bit here, 5 by 8 into 100. Now 8, again it is 4 2s, 4 25s. Now there is no cutting, so it will be 25 5s are 125 upon 2, isn't it? 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 1 by 2. So you got 62.5%. Is it clear? So total parts you have to find out, and then each part, the percentage you have to find. Hope you are confident with this topic. Okay. Now coming to the question number 3, the word problems. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,000. Find the percentage decrease. So this is decrease and increase, वैसा वाला sums. ठीक है. Initial population पहले कितना था? 25,000. पहले 25,000. The new population, it is decreased to 24,500. Now you have to find out the decreased population. How? The initial one minus the new one. How much you will be getting? It is 2 zeros. Now 0 minus 5 means 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So you got the difference is 500. Now percentage of decrease. So difference कितना है 500. Initial कितना था? Initial was 25,000 into 100. Two zeros cut. 10 cut. 25 ones are 25 twos are. So you got 2% decrease. Is it clear? So first you have to find out the difference, and for percentage the difference upon the initial one into 100. Now Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up. Went up means increased to 3,70,000. What was the percentage of the price increase? Now initial cost, how much is it? Rupees 3,50,000. Now it went up. The new cost is rupees 3,70,000. Now find out the increased cost. Increased cost, how will you find out the difference? So rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000 is equal to rupees 3 zeros. Then in the thousand place 0, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So you got 20,000. Now percentage of increase. What is the difference you got? It is a 20,000. So 20,000, put it in the numerator. What was the initial? It was a 3,50,000 into 100. So 30 cut, 10 cut. Now it is a 35 and 100. You can 5 sevens are 5 20s are, isn't it? Now no cutting. 22s are 40 by 7. 7 how much are 40? 7 5s are 35. 5 remains by 7%. Is it clear? So that was a decrease, increase. How to find out the percentage of increase, You understood? Perfect. Now, the fifth question. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? मतलब क्या है? I buy मतलब उसको खरीदा कितने में? 10,000. मतलब CP of the TV is 10,000. He sells means बेचना. बेचने का कितने का वो दिया नहीं है. प्रॉफिट परसेंट 20% में बेच दिया. Now how much money do I get for it? मतलब मैं उसको बेचूंगा तो कितना मिलने वाला है. So that is the selling price. So you have to find out the SP. So CP is given, profit percent is given. You have to find out the SP. So what will we do? First we will find out the profit. So profit is equal to, आपको सबको मालूम है प्रॉफिट कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जाता है? प्रॉफिट परसेंट ऑफ सीपी है ना. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट परसेंट ऑफ सीपी. प्रॉफिट परसेंट कितना है? 20% ऑफ रुपीज 10,000. तो फाइंड आउट करो 20 by 100 into 10,000. तो 2 कट. तो आपको कितना मिला? रुपीज 20 और इधर 2 मतलब 2,000. You got the profit of 2,000. Now find out SP. SP के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, CP है तो प्रॉफिट है तो आप लोग ऐड करते हैं, CP प्लस प्रॉफिट. So you got rupees 10,000 plus 2,000. So you got SP rupees 12,000. So to find out the SP when CP and profit percent are given, find out the profit, then you find out SP. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number 6. In question number 6, what they have asked, we'll see. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. Sells मतलब क्या दिया है, SP is 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. Loses 20% means loss percent is 20%. What was the price at which it was she bought it? कितने में वो खरीदी, मतलब क्या है, CP. अभी CP फाइंड आउट करने का है, लेकिन CP फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो हम पहले किए थे वैसे नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि लॉस परसेंट प्रॉफिट परसेंट इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन CP. सो इसके लिए हमें क्या करने का है, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा काम है. लेट CP बी ₹X. तो CP जब नहीं देते हैं आप लोगों को लेट CP बी X ऐसे लिखने का है. फिर लॉस फाइंड आउट करो. लॉस इज इक्वल टू लॉस परसेंट ऑफ CP. अभी हमें X में मिलेगा, सो इट इज 20% ऑफ ₹X. That is 20 by 100 into X. 21s are 25s are. So you got ₹X by 5. So loss मिला X by 5. अभी फॉर्मूला डालो. SP is equal to CP minus loss. हाँ है ना? So SP is equal to CP minus loss. Okay. SP कितना दिया है, 13,500. CP कितना है, ₹X minus loss अब में मिला X by 5. So that means 13,500 is equal to X minus X by 5. That means if you take 5 as the LCM, है ना, 1 and 5 में LCM 5 आएगा. अभी इधर डिनोमिनेटर 1 है तो डायरेक्टली हमें LCM into the numerator. You get 5x minus x, that is a 4x by 5. So 13,500 is equal to 4x by 5. So x is equal to, x इधर ही रखो, x is equal to कितना आएगा, लेफ्ट साइड में 13,500 है और ये 5 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा और ये 4 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. समझ में आया? x को राइट साइड में रखने का, ये 5 को लेफ्ट में लेकर जाने का, तभी वो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा और न्यूमरेटर का 4 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. अभी 4 ending with the 2 zeros, it is divisible by 4. 4 1s are, 4 3s are 12, 1 remains, 1 and 5 15. So again 4 3s are 12, 13 14 15, 3 remains, 3 and 0 है ना, इधर 0 है तो 3 and 0 30, 4 7s are 28, 29 30, 2 बचा, 2 and 0 20, मतलब 4 5s are 20. So you got x is equal to ₹337, sorry, into 5 है, sorry, 3375 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5 7 जा 35, 37, 3, 5 3 जा 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 5 3 जा 15, 16. So you got 16,875. So you'll be getting answer Juhi bought the washing machine at rupees 16,875. Is it clear? Now coming to the seventh question, there are two sums in it. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. In the ratio 10:3:12, find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. So the ratio में calcium is to carbon is to oxygen is 10:3 is to 12. So total parts कितने आएंगे? 10 plus 3 plus 12. 3 plus 2 5 and 1 plus 1 2. 25 total parts आया. अभी percentage of carbon, carbon मतलब ये, तो इसका कौन सा वाला? 3 है ना. कितने पार्ट? 3. कार्बन का 3 पार्ट्स है. 3 पार्ट्स आउट ऑफ टोटल 25 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 3 fours are 12%. So percentage of carbon is 12%. Now second question in that is weight of if the stick of chalk in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram. What is the weight of chalk stick? Chalk stick का full कितना weight है? कार्बन का इतना है. ठीक है. So let the weight, you don't know, weight of chalk stick, let it be x gram. अभी परसेंटेज कितना दिया है? परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन, परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन हमें मिला इज इक्वल टू 12%. इसका मतलब 12% ऑफ x है ना, टोटल वेट इज 3 ग्राम. सो इसका मतलब कैसे लिखेंगे? 12/100 इंटू x इज इक्वल टू 3. तो अभी x को लेफ्ट में रखेंगे तो 3 डिनोमिनेटर को 100 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर का 12 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 25s are. You got how much? 25 ग्राम. तो आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? वेट ऑफ द chalk stick is 25 gram. Is it clear? So we have completed question number 7. Okay, now coming to question number 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it. Buys मतलब CP 275 at a loss percent 15%. Find out the SP. तो सेम क्या करने का है? पहले लॉस फाइंड आउट करो. लॉस इज इक्वल टू लॉस परसेंट ऑफ CP. So loss percent is 15% of rupees 275. 15/100 into 275. 5 20s are 5 5s are 25. 2 remains. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 4s are and 5 11s are. मतलब कितना मिला आपको? 15. 11 5s are 55. 11 1s are 11 plus 5 16/4 है ना. अभी आप लोगों को फ्रैक्शन में नहीं तो डेसिमल में मिलेगा 4 4 ज़ा 16, 4 1 ज़ा 4, अभी 1 बचा तो डेसिमल डालो, एक्स्ट्रा 0 ले लो, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 9 10, 2 रिमेन्स तो एक्स्ट्रा 0 ले लो, 20 आएगा, देन 4 5 ज़ा 25। ये कैलकुलेशन सब आपको नहीं मालूम है तो साइड में रफ वर्क में करो, लेकिन आप अभी के स्टेज में 7th स्टैंडर्ड में आप लोग डायरेक्ट ऐसे करने को सीखने का है। हमें लॉस मिला, अभी एसपी का फॉर्मूला क्या है, सीपी माइनस लॉस। सीपी कितना बोले हैं, 275 माइनस 41.25, सो रुपीज, इधर 0 आएगा है ना, 0.25 है तो 0.00, तो इधर 100 माइनस 25 इज 75, तो इधर बचा 4 माइनस 1, it's 4 minus 1 is 3, now here it is a 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2, so you got SP 253.75. Now coming to the 9th sum, it is find the amount to be paid. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So the प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस वाला, ये एक 2 सम है, वो बाद में हम करेंगे, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डालेगी मैं। ओके देन, बाय, थैंक यू।